It's 4 hours.
Hi guys! Well, 4 hours, but it's already what, 6? 6 something? Thanks, Mom! I'm all checked out. We're going to the Guam'S Tuesday night food truck frenzy. There's a bunch of food trucks apparently behind the Guam Museum in Agana. And this is my first time. I've been trying to like track down all these food trucks. And I started following a few of them and they all were posted at the Guam Museum. So I was like, let's go. Mud's getting in trouble by Mom. I have this big ass water bottle. Sweet Caroline. Oh, this lighting is really nice. I wanted to try this one food truck. It's called Hafahuli. Because they have like shrimp, smoked Angus brisket, Kahlua pig. Does that not look amazing? And then there was another one. Oh, the food truck Guam. That's the one with the crazy burgers. Whoa. Look. Okay. I'm excited. I love food. And I figured this would be a good practice for when Tam and I go traveling, because that's what all we're gonna do is eat and sightsee. So I got the vlogging camera out. Got the DSLR for some food pics. It's gonna be good. Okay.
Get the phone to your mom. I need to ask her a question. Sure.
I'm kind of upset, but at the same time, I'm kind of not.
Okay.
I think it was gonna be a great thing, and there's literally
about $4, Mom. Because Nana needs to confirm.
1, 2 food trucks. I'm upset, but these tacos better be freaking good. Okay, let's go see.
I want shrimp.
Oh, they have plates. They have plates. What are your popular tacos?
Tacos?
Yeah.
The shrimp taco with the mango salsa and the brisket taco.
The plain brisket?
The plain brisket. The one with the mac salad is a Hawaiian style mac with brisket. When people get that, they end up loving it. It's like one of those things you don't think it's gonna be good, but then you eat it and you're like, oh man, that's it.
Okay, can we get 1 or 2 or 3 fried shrimp?
Okay.
Can I also get 1 barbecue brisket?
Okay. And the name, please.
Taylor?
Taylor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The food truck Guam.
Have the money. Hey bro, I thought it's supposed to be food truck frenzy night.
So it's my first time running in almost 3 weeks. And because I have a lot of time to do caterings too. So when we first started doing Tuesday, we had 6 trucks. But have you guys been here on Thursday?
That's our first time.
Oh, it's first time. Thursday
Yeah.
we had 10 to 12 trucks.
Oh. Okay, so we just got the tacos. I didn't know it was gonna be this small. It looks good though. Hey, oh, it smells bomb. Okay. Oh, I smell that.
Pork belly saute. Oven baked and then saute.
Pork belly? No.
Oh my god, it's good.
Good.
Good? Oh god, it's good. The flavors from the shrimp and the mango. Okay. What do you have, Dad?
Lemon fried sheep.
Can I try it? This one is the barbecue brisket.
No, I don't want to go over that.
It's dripping. Okay, let's go. Oh, this smells so good. Smell that. What's that? Pork belly?
That.
It's good. Still have flavor. Whoa.
How was that?
I haven't bite it yet. Okay, here we go.
It's dripping.
Oh.
Want another one?
That is really good.
Can I try? The meat? No, the meat one. What is it again?
Barbecue biscuit.
Looks like a taquito.
Hi. It's good. What? This food makes me happy. Yeah, burger.
No, that's a half for a burger. Are you gonna eat it?
I'll eat like another bite. Okay. I really wish there was more. So the guy said that next week, Thursday, they have like 10 to 12 food trucks. So I'm gonna try and come on Thursday. It's not bad. The pricing, we ordered, I didn't expect it to be that small, but $2 per taco. $2 per taco. But it says $2 Taco Tuesday, so I don't know if it's always $2 because it's Tuesday right now. The tacos are small, but for $2, that's really good because there were 4 small tacos. That's like more than a meal for someone, or maybe a meal for someone, for $8. It's not bad.
You want one, don't you?
Let's go. We'll split it.
I'm getting a plain cheeseburger.
What kind of burgers do they have? Oh! Por Dios, you guys. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? It's just a plain cheeseburger? Oh. Oh my actual Lord Jesus Christ. Oh.
Never mind. Wait a minute.
The bomb.
Food for themselves and repeated errands meals as they wish.
Food truck Guam burger.
This is bomb. Oh my god, this is dangerous. Oh, how is it?
What's that in the bottom? What's the bread at?
There's no more bottom bun. That's how you know it's good. When it slips and slides. That is so good. I love new food. Forgive me for talking with my mouth open. Look at it. That's how you know it's good. I mean, I can bite, but let's see. Like, whoa!
There's no bread there. It's all beef.
Good food makes me happy. Good food makes me happy. Hey, you guys mind being on my vlog?
Oh no!
Hapade, welcome to the food truck. My name is Joey Italic.
Hapade, welcome to Hapahuli. My name is Jason Didasco.
So what do you guys sell? What are your like main dishes that you guys sell?
So my main dish is the banh mi, the traditional Vietnamese sandwich with the Guam influenced take, or the banh mi ball. And then my #1 seller is our half-pound bacon onion jam with a Juicy Lucy, which is a burger stuffed with cheese in the middle.
For me, I got a lot of shrimp plates. You got your garlic shrimp, your jerk shrimp, honey walnut shrimp, deep fried shrimp, coconut ginger shrimp, all kinds of shrimp. Yeah, at my truck. And then, but we also got tacos, which are becoming fan favorite. A lot of people like our tacos.
Awesome. Thank you guys.
No, thank you guys for coming out.
Thank you. It was delicious. It was
Awesome,
really good.
appreciate it.
I'll put their names in the description so you guys can go follow them and you guys can find out where they are because they're always traveling around, but you guys are always here on Thursday nights.
Thursday nights.
Thursday nights. Catch them here at Thursday nights for the food truck frenzy, and there's a lot of other food trucks out here, so yeah,
Come check us out.
Thank you guys. Bye. Thank you. Their names will be in the description down below, so you guys can go follow them and check them out. It was good. Take it from me. It was really good food. And we didn't try all of it.
Yeah. Only 2 food trucks, but I only have 1 belly.
Okay, stay tuned, guys. Okay, so we're here at Ross again for like the 500th time this week. We're getting table run. Oh, mats and table runners. Just turn this around. Oh, right there.
It shows the white. No.
Huh?
It shows the white.
Table runner. Oh, sorry.
I cannot deal with
I brought new sheets, a new comforter, and just like bedding in general from you. And I'm so excited to clean up my room and change everything out. UTON. It changed. Yeah. Oh, mom. What was it?
Remember the white furry? The really white furry one?
Oh wait, no, it's furry on the bottom.
Yes.
On the bottom?
No, that's not the one.
You were gonna get white?
Okay, imagine just the middle. It's all furry and you have that cone, that gold cone.
Mm-hmm.
And then the candles. Oh my god. Disappointed.
I thought it was gonna be a red one.
You thought wrong. She wanted the white fluffy one.
I thought it was red.
She had her mind set with my brother because his friends were hot, wild, and cruise.
Tamara, shut up. Thumbnail.
Remember I pulled it up?
No, I don't. I really don't. I didn't even remember seeing white. Sorry, Mom.
Losing my mind already.
Jinan. Look. Jinan. Connected to... Mom, one more time. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, that was cute. One more time, one more time. You know what? I can help Mom's. I got her. I got Tamara obsessed with pulling out like the cuticle, like ingrown, whatever. I don't know.
Not ingrown.
It's the part that comes up at the side, and then you like it like hurts, and you really feel it, and you pull it out. It's like, oh my god. But I got her obsessed with it. Okay, I'm gonna go real quick so I can help Mom find this before she goes cray. Love you, girl. We're still going. We're still going. Let's go, Mom. We got this. Oh, we just went in a circle.
Oh, this is the same. 90 feet. Whoa, 90 feet. That's an awful long. 90? Did you say 90?
It doesn't look that long.
90 feet. 90 inches.
We good? No! Tamara. Stop. Please get it.
So where do I go?
You only did one? Oh, you only poured one?
I'm a bad vlogger, guys. Okay, so this is what I want to order.
My hair
too.
is really bad.
Go, take the dang picture.
Take it.
Taylor hates Ross because all the clutter and the long ass line. So this is a very rare moment in time. You know what?
Nice.
Ew, delete it. Delete it. My mom is better than yours. Close it out, Taylor. Close it out, Taylor.
Some little girls have said basta. Basta? Why are you recording again? I'm bored. Okay, can you turn off? That's a lot of editing to do. Peace. Peace. Tamara! You're so funny!
Right, sweet?
Yes.
The love that Dad and I have for each other is stronger
That is love for bread and butter. Whoa, that is strong.
Butter. And grease.
Ew.
Hey, can I go to Ross here?
Fruit?
Yeah.
There was a freaking used crumpled napkin on my desk. Why?
That's mom.
No, that is not mom.
That's me.
That's not even in her
My
jeans.
trash. My trash.
That was
Don't blame me for
down,
any
girl.
trash. Hello. Still in love.
Oh god. Mom. What the heck, Mom?
You guys don't know. Right, Dad?
Why did Mom say to Dad? Because Dad JJ lock the door, someone might take you. Ross. And it's 8:30. Oh, it's cold. You feel that cold air? It's 8:30 in the evening on a Tuesday. This is past my bedtime.
This comes once a year. So get your asses
Christmas.
out of the house.
I'm tired though, Mom. Look at the pretty lights. And we're all doing this just for a freaking what, Mom? A table runner. Table runner. Oh my god. Dude, what the heck? We just passed by someone. And someone freaking farted. And we walked in the line of fire. I think with Mom's best friend. Good.
What's that? You taking a video of me?
They're wearing the exact same thing. Twinsies!
This is not the one that I don't do.
Oh, that's nice.
What's your idea?
I like it.
Why are you taking more shopping?
Because she looks good doing everything.
Why didn't you get it? I didn't need it. Why didn't you get it? I don't have money like some people do.
Table runner. No, look at this table runner.
Only you three?
Oh, see, like these, Mom. Like these. Oh, this one, but with a different pot. Oh, here, this one. Oh, okay, we'll make it.
Okay, stop. Okay, Daisy.
Bye, Daisy. Bye. No. Okay, hold this on. Hold on.
84 by 102.
Wait, what are you gonna?
I'm just trying to see it.
I don't care who was gone. You shouldn't be alone. I'll be there. You can work your way to the top. Whoa, I'm with you. 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 Issue, no matter what. Just know that can pick up sounds or whatever you're saying. I know. If you want me to make yeah, one of those days you had enough, I'll be there. Hey, I'll be there.
This is 13 inches.
It's another.
72.
At the bottom.
2 is 6 feet.
Hug you.
Here, 1.
Wait, are you home? Come here right on the phone.
This is short, yeah. Our table is... I think ours was 60 by 102. No, I'm not gonna let it be. I'm just gonna try to sit on the table. Let me see. I know where. Mom, I said that people like every day. No. Just hold the hand. Hold the hands up. What? That's like 4 extra inches.
Get it vlogger life.
Okay, let's go.
Get that vlogger life. Yo, Mom. Girl. Wait. Okay, let's go. Should we close out the video here? No. Mom, you want to close it out with me? Mommy. Huh? Close out the video with us. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell your family, tell your friends. And all that good stuff. And we will see you in the next video. Come on, go. Peace.